Of the Santa Cruzan but floral offering.
In the beginning?
Yes.
Before the Mass?
Yes.
After the Blessed Virgin Mary.
Kasi coronation after communion.
Yeah. After the Blessed Virgin Mary is put at the altar, then follows the flowers. But when you say floral offering, are there people? How many people?
Assigned people.
Hindi kasi po yung mga saka magbibigay po ng mga bulaklak sa mga bata. Tapos yung mga batang yun mismo ang mag-o-offer ng mga
Di ba sa gala?
No. Bata.
How many?
Kahit sino kid. Kahit sino kid.
That will take time. That will take.
Just like what we did last Divine Mercy, they did it that way. It almost took forever.
Yeah. So what's the alternative?
Aside, how many kids do you need to offer flowers?
Okay.
So after, it's very beautiful. Imagine that. You welcome people, you tell them the narration of the Santa Cruzan, and then included in that Santa Cruzan narration, and every end of the month of May, we crown Our Lady.
How about we do that
flowers.
at our angels?
And then they offer their flowers, and then perhaps a procession of the Blessed Virgin Mary.
Ang mag-offer
ng flowers. Oh, sige.
Kanya silang bouquet.
Konti na lang.
Yung walo.
Yeah. Yung huli na lang. Kasi masyadong mahaba. Yeah.
Yes, tapos.
Paris naman yun, di ba?
Yeah.
Paris naman yun. Isang one boy, one girl. Di tama-tama yung pag-araw sa altar. Magka-Paris na yun.
Bawal yun.
Sinabi na naman yung flowers sa position. Kasi may 3 angels.
Bawal ang flowers sa na gano'n.
Sabog-sabog. O, mamaya may insurance pa tayo.
May insurance.
Saan ko itasabog yun? Sa prosesyon.
Sa Baldwin Park Boulevard.
Ayun yan.
Cleaner ang Baldwin Park Boulevard.
Baldwin Park Boulevard and Larita.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, kasi may 3 angels kami, Father, na may 3
Because
baskets sila.
the petals
That's during the procession.
can be split.
Not in the street.
Okay.
So, if older people can step on that and
Madulas.
like,
Paano yung, is that
Sa procession na naman.
Okay.
what about those people that follow the procession?
Okay, let's be clear.
okay.
Let's clear this up.
Ano na pala yan, okay.
Okay, welcome, narration of Santa Cruzan, then procession of the Blessed Virgin, procession of the image of the Blessed Mother, malalagay doon sa harap, and then yung floral offering.
Floral offering.
And then the procession for the Mass begins.
Okay.
Yeah.
With the cross and the blood.
And then you're going to visualize it, it's smooth. Kasi tingnan mo kung parang nawala yung liturgy of the Eucharist eh. That's a no-no in liturgy.
So, narration of the Santa Cruzan and
Before the Mass,
Then procession of the
Mama
image,
Mary.
Mama Mary, the floral offering. That's all before the start of the Mass.
Yeah. Ano na siya? Ano mo laklak na?
Tapos, nun, meron ang yung right of blessing and speaking.
Tuloy-tuloy na.
Okay.
The Mass proceeds.
The normal Mass, part of the Mass.
Yeah.
Okay? Mag-iba lang after communion.
Yeah.
Yan po yung yung hermana saka hermanos.
Ano ba yan?
Sa procession.
Sa ano lang yan yung presentation of gifts?
So wala na pong cross, flag, flower bouquet.
I was suggesting that the cross and the flag, the cross is always there during the procession. The flag can also be a part of the procession. But it should not be a part of the offering.
Oh.
It should be only the bread and the wine.
The bread and
So,
the wine.
yung bali bread and the wine lang po talaga.
Pwede rin flowers and bouquet. Para it just accompanies the bread and the wine. Pero out of place talaga yung cross at flag.
Sa procession talaga, pwede kung pa sa procession.
Mismo na. Sa unahan.
Sa unahan.
Yeah.
Pero yung offering talaga.
No.
You don't offer the flag and the cross because the cross is always there.
Yeah. It's part of the liturgy.
So it's only the wine and the bread plus the flowers. Bouquet.
Because you can make it like during that will be in the procession of the Blessed Mother.
Oh, we can do that.
That's
Pero yung procession na yun, kasama po yung mga magpapako pa rin, di ba yung mga
What kind of flag is this?
Yung mga hermana.
What is that? Because actually they are unnecessary, you know.
Papasok ba sila, Father? Ang alam ko po kasi yung early procession starts na to. Hindi lang po yung entrance ng pari, kasama na rin po yung mga sagala, yung mga entry,
Papasok pa lang.
papasok po sa simbahan.
Kasi pwede natin gawin si Mama Mary, yung floral offering, tapos papasok yung mga tagala. Kasi pwede, kung gano'n nung nakasanayan, pwede naman gawin yun. Introduction, yung part siya ng introduction. At iba ka na ano kasi, nakabili sila eh. Para makita rin ng tao. So you can do it like,
Before the Mass.
before the Mass, after the Santa Cruzan na rin. I-process si Mama Mary, then floral offering, yun yung offer na. Then papasok yung mga tagala, kung sila sa upuan nila. Then papasok na yung Salamat.
For the Mass.
Mga angels mo na to
Yeah. Hindi kasi
Para tuloy-tuloy.
Tuloy-tuloy.
Angels, and then yung
Kumbaga,
tagala.
focus na minsan na lahat.
Okay.
Minsan na lahat hanggang communion. Pagdating ng communion, doon lang ang
Yes.
pamahuli.
It's very smooth.
Okay. As long as nakabantay ang ating mga shirt, we have...
And yung cross, part na nung ano yun, nung sa pare. Kasi nga nandun man lagi yun eh. The question now is the flag. It's not necessary that you have the flag. Anong klaseng flag yan? Flag ng Pilipinas ba yan? Flag ng Amerika?
Vatican.
Pilipinas.
Pilipinas po ba?
Yes.
Flag ng Pilipinas daw po.
Don't you think that's quite unfair? If
America.
we have Philippines, we should also have America side by side. Because we're in America.
Kuya Greg.
For example,
I don't know,
we have the
that's-
Filipino
see-
concert, we should have
It's I know it is Filipino flag.
So, uwi na lang Philippine and American.
So what do you
Dalawa.
suggest?
I don't know. Lou Lou has the say, or father has the say.
I think
No flag daw. No flag. Si Father.
Dalawa.
Okay, for me, if you want to have the flag, also make it two.
Two.
Well,
Because we are here.
Because
This is not our territory. You're in America.
Okay. Okay.
What we did in the Filipino streets, we sang the U.S. national anthem. But the Philippine flag is just there, just to identify ourselves as Filipinos.
Yeah.
But this is America. You still have America.
Yeah.
So, yung flag na yan, isama na rin doon sa
So you offered in your
No.
No. Doon sa...
So, kita lang yun.
So, kita isama ng mga pagpasok. Bago
So,
pumasok.
it will be the flag and then the Blessed Mother.
Yeah.
If you want that flag.
We do it we are in the center of America.
Okay. So two flags. Okay.
So, two flags.
Two flags.
Walang problema.
Nasaan na si ano?
Some are very sensitive of that.
Right.
For example, if it's 1 p.m., there are some guys there who are, of course, they are not Filipino. Take the Philippine flag here. But if it's both, the flag, they understand that. You know how critical people here are.
Ouch.
You should be politically correct. And see?
So after the